Mo fẹ́ jẹ́ káwọn ọmọ Yorùbá rí nǹkankan nínú fídíò tí mo fẹ́ play. This is the ongoing Dangote refinery project ní Nigeria in the 22nd of May. The time is just about 30 minutes. When we say we are not one country in Nigeria, some of you argue. Some of you are saying we don't know what we are saying. Let me play this video. The Ghana president have just spoken, but let's listen to the next person. Then I'm going to come back to the video again.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Ghana. Let me welcome here the President of Niger, His Excellency Mohammed.
The next president that they are calling is the President of Niger. I want you to listen and understand that the Yorubas, the Igbos, and all these 250 ethnic groups put together in Nigeria, that is why it's not called a nation. That is why they call it federal. Because what we got in 1960 means that everybody should go in terms of the regional government, which is the Western region, the Eastern region, and the Northern region. But today, that has been destroyed, and everybody is living in denial. The next president is going to speak a language that is not international. Let's listen to it. And that is the president of Niger coming onto the podium, and he's going to be speaking, and let's hear what he has to say.
Your Excellency, Mr. President Muhammad Buhari, Your Excellency's Head of State here present, Your Excellency, the Vice President elected, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Your Excellency, my brother Ali Dangote, my English will not allow me to speak in English.
Did you hear that? His English would not allow, would not permit him to speak in English. Tàbá sọ fẹ́yìn èèyàn wa pé èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì ò kì í ṣe èdè tiwa. Ẹ̀gbọ́n tí arákùnrin yìí sọ, òun ni president Niger. Ó ní English òun ò ní wà permit láti jẹ́ kóun sọ èdè Gẹ̀ẹ́sì. Èdè wo ló wá fẹ́ sọ gangan? Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ èdè tó fẹ́ sọ.
Language, so I will try to speak in Hausa.
Yẹ̀rípá tún pàtẹ́wọ́ fún òun máa gbìyànjú láti sọ èdè Haúsá. Ṣé gbogbo àwọn tó wá jókòó nísìn ló gbọ́ Haúsá? Ṣé àwọn Yorùbá tó jókòó síbẹ̀ yẹn ǹjẹ́ wọ́n gbọ́ Haúsá? Ẹ jẹ́ á gbọ́ ohun tó fẹ́ sọ.
Jama'a wa assalamu alaikum. Na yi farin ciki da Allah ya bani wannan dama na zo yau na halari sabgan na ta fara aikin da aka yi yau shekara 10. Wannan aikin ya nuna cewa Alhaji Aliko Dangote dan Najeriya ne kuma mai kishin ƙasar Najeriya gaba ɗaya.
Ṣé ti rí ìdí tí a ṣe ń sọ fún ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa pé Nigeria is just a scam, kò kí ń ṣe country. Òun ń sọ Haúsá. Ṣé gbogbo wa la gbọ́ Haúsá tó ń sọ? This is the reason why we are saying Yoruba nation, no going back, Yoruba nation for life.